Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You must start by being clear. Do not attempt to retrieve someone else's incognito history without legal authority or explicit consent. Once you confirm you own the device or have permission, focus on account-level traces instead of incognito itself. Make sure you have the device in hand, any signed-in browser accounts, and router admin access ready. I'm going to show safe alternatives you can use to see activity you legitimately control and steps to enable proper logging for future audits. Once done, check account activity tied to signed-in sessions because incognito doesn't sync history, but accounts sometimes record activity. Next, examine your router or DNS provider logs. They list domains resolved by devices on your network, useful where you have admin rights. Make sure to look at device system logs and DNS cache for local artifacts. These won't always include full search queries, but they can reveal visited sites. If you need deeper recovery, consult a forensic specialist or legal authority rather than To finish, switch from reactive searches to proactive logging. Enable browser sync and centralized logging for devices you control, and use consent-based monitoring or parental controls where appropriate. Make sure backups and log retention are configured so you can review activity later. If you can't find expected entries, confirm you have admin access, check whether logs were rotated or purged, and contact your ISP or a professional forensic analyst. Troubleshooting tip: if logs vanish, preserve the device image and seek expert help rather than guessing further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.